show. So we were at the Easter show, Eliza.
We went to the Easter show and demonstrated screen printing, and we came up with this amazing continuous pattern design.
Yeah.
Which involved making 3 screens.
Yes. And kind of and putting it onto linen.
Yeah.
Washed linen.
Mm-hmm.
And we got very busy, but we didn't end up finishing it.
Yeah,
we died to finish it.
We are dying to
finish it now.
So that was the first pattern that we used.
So we got a nice little set pull pattern and this kind of blob underneath.
But we did it 2 ways.
Twice. Yeah, twice on top of each other with 2 different colours. And then we've also got the beautiful magenta flower, which is and I'll just jump in and say that these screens have been created using the liquid stencil, which is our new drawing fluid and block out. It's water based, which means that you can hand paint your own screens. Yeah.
So we're just going to do 2 passes. So you have your squeegee at a 45-degree angle.
Beautiful!
Whoa.
Juicy!
Juicy! Screen printing. Ooh, good. Okay, good job. It's always good when you get it in one go. Hard to do with the...
That's the big reveal.
Okay. Okay, and that looks amazing.
Yeah.
So, continuous ad hoc pattern.
Yeah.
Created by Eliza and Kat.
Yeah.
Soon to be released cushions coming your way.
Yeah.
Using the Derivan liquid stencil, which is a drawing fluid and a block out. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can have a look at that technique.
Yep.
How to make your own patterns.
Yeah.
Derivan screening.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Bye. I'd wave, but I'm holding this fabric.